How to file an online divorce in Alameda County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're looking to file for divorce in Alameda County and want to do everything online, the good news is you can. In fact, Alameda County requires all divorce filings to be submitted electronically, making it one of the most online-friendly counties in California. Let's walk through exactly how to file an online divorce the right way. First, you'll need to complete the required California divorce forms, starting with the petition and summons. If you have children, you'll also include the UCCCGEA form. These forms must be filled out accurately and completely. Missing or incorrect information is one of the biggest reasons filings get rejected. Once your forms are ready, you'll file them with the court using Alameda County's electronic filing system. This is not just optional, it's required. You'll need to register with an approved e-filing provider and upload your documents following the court's formatting rules. If you make a mistake, your filing will be rejected and you'll have to fix and resubmit it. After filing, you'll need to serve your spouse with a copy of the filed forms. If they're cooperative, they can sign a notice of acknowledgement, which simplifies the process. If not, you'll need to arrange formal service by someone not involved in the case. From there, you'll move on to financial disclosures, reach an agreement if the case is uncontested, and submit your final judgment. Again, all through e-filing. We recently helped a client in Alameda who tried to file online on their own. They spent weeks dealing with rejected documents and confusing court instructions. Once they hired us, we took over, filed everything correctly, and got their judgment submitted and approved in just a few weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in online divorce services and handle the entire process for you, accurately, efficiently, and without the need to step into a courtroom. Whether you're starting fresh or trying to fix a rejected filing, we can help. If you're ready to file for divorce online in Alameda County and want professional help to get it done right, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of the paperwork, filing, and follow-up so you can move forward with confidence.